look at the way that path winds, guys. Oh, who knows what's wrong there? Some real spooky shit. I'm scared. Oh, shit. Going up a hill, a muddy hill. Again, we're out in the haunted forest. It's really, really spooky. We don't know where we're going. We don't know where this path leads. Oh, yes. Creepy ass shit. Really is. We've been out in nature. Proper do, but it's really spooky, guys. Honestly. I don't know why we're out here. We do, yeah, we're taking a walk, but yes. Oh. Should not be anybody else out here. What is that? Brickwork. Oh yeah. Spooky, there must have been a house here. Oh fuck. Oh, spooky shit. People doing rituals and all sorts. I'm really terrified, guys. Look, scary shit. Oh, they've done a ritual building a wall. Fuck. Scary. Oh look. Oh, I'm petrified, guys. This is really scary shit. Fuck. Don't like when people are doing rituals and shit, especially like building a wall. Oh, spooky. Spooky shit. Can you hear that, guys? Spooky. The sound of the birds. Fuck. We don't know where we're going. Definitely in parts unknown. We're stuck.
Oh. This way, isn't it? Because the benches are up there.
Oh. Yeah.
You're not recording. Why are you recording?
Yeah. Oh, did you hear that, guys? Budgie beds and chicken beds. Could be a Bigfoot round here with carrying its own saw blades and hammers and nails. You know, gotta be careful, guys. Watch out for it. Don't forget we're in the haunted forest. Look. Haunted forest. Oh, spooky ass shit. People was unalive around here. People got eaten by yetis and coyotes and by frogs. Even though we don't have them over here. But there you go. There might be deers somewhere. Oh, it's creepy ass shit, guys. Thanks for watching, guys, and thank you to all you people that have liked and subscribed. Really appreciate it. I'd appreciate more if more people subbed and liked, comments. Helps us do these kind of things. Coming out into these haunted, spooky ass places. Listen to that eerie silence now. Tells me spirits are around. Did you hear that? Again, it's fucking been grey every fucking day lately around here. But it's warm again. It's quite still as a breeze, but it's really warm, humid. I just wish the sun would come out for a bit. It's a bit much, all this super dull grey days. What?
There's a molehill.
A molehill? Cool. So See if there's a mole. Oh yeah. I am a mole and I live in a hole. What's that? What could this be? Is that a bunch of dead turds? King turds? In their own habitat? See, they're real rare, these dead king turds. You don't really see them quite often. You really got to look for them. And then when you least expect it, like this, you'll come across king turds resting, chilling in their natural habitats, undisturbed by people. Back into the haunted woods, guys. This is where the apparitions of all the past fisher people. Apparently, when you come round here, you see the apparitions of fisher people still fishing. Now you see them in the daytime and in the night. Spooky. Look at this scary ass shit. Oh man, this is proper spooky. Look. You could have eyes in the back of your ass. Oh, you gotta be careful walking around these parts because you never know what's going to be creeping up behind you. Oh. What? Look at that, the floor looks amazing with all these multicoloured leaves and twigs and branches. Even though this place is really haunted, it really is scary and haunted. Oh, apparitions, see? Can you see the apparition of fish people? Told you. Fuck, I'm scared. Told you day or night you come here, you see these apparitions of fisher people. There you go. You watch, guys, look. Can you see it? Look, the apparition there of fish people. Oh, fuck, man, I'm shitting myself. There shouldn't be anybody here. Not this time of day. Oh, no, there shouldn't be. This spooky ass shit. Yes. Food for the amazing birds, yeah. Oh, geesey birds, can you hear them? Oh, look at that. It's real spooky, this guy's, look.
What? Shriveled up berry?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I dropped it.
Yes, the apparitions, guys, of the fisher people. We've seen them. I'm just trying to calm my heart rate down because I was so petrified of what I saw.